Hi guys! Here we are in Gabaldon Elementary School, a place where we study and learn to write, read, and other lectures that include education. Hi guys! Here we are in Science Park. The lectures we represented is food chain, food web, parts of the body, photosynthesis, and pollination. Guys, here we are in the Baldon Elementary School's library house. Hi mga Beshi! Here we are in another part of the Baldon Elementary School. This is the social hall, where we celebrate recognition, graduations, and other events. What is your full name po?
I am Mary Jane Pinoy Carrera.
Ilang years na po kayo dito sa Baldon?
14 years na ako dito sa paaralang elementarya ng Gabaldon.
Ilang years na po kayo nasa-service?
20 years na ako dito sa DepEd.
Anong posisyon mo po sa pagiging maestra?
Ako ngayon ay nasa special education, SPET 1.
Masaya po ba maging part ng Gabaldon?
Masayang-masaya ako dito sa Gabaldon dahil ang aking mga kasamang guro ay masasayang kasama, walang inggitan, pantay-pantay na dito sa Gabaldon.
Ma'am, thank you.
Okay po ma'am, thank you po.